Barfare Entertainment presents the ultimate battle rap arena.
Look, listen.
Come on, man.
अभी हम लोग बार सुनेगा. As I say all the time, हम लोग बार सुनते हैं, ठीक है? No interruption. अगर कोई interrupt करेगा, we have a very good security tonight, all right?
Okay.
Hey, we got upside here tonight. जो हल्ला करेगा सीधा बाहर. I don't care, man. All right.
Come on, come on.
Kami, will you do the toss?
Heads. Huh? Tails. I'll go. Okay. Oh, come on. Check. Hello. Mike, come on.
Yo, guys.
Zip down, motherfuckers.
All right. Shut that. Hey, time limited है, ठीक है? Yep. Tiny Flow will go first. All right, first round, 2 minutes. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. And I want to start this battle by saying, yeah, oh, Majaja. So let's go. Listen up. In front of me is Kennedy, who uses the word motherfucker randomly. And here we have Tiny Flow, who means it when he says you're gonna witness brutality. Now this time I got a call from our JT. Said my opponent goes by the name Kennedy. Fuck yes, Tori Riang really wanted to battle him. Because during his duo battle, ये शकल तान वाला बना रहा था. Just like a dickhead would do. But he's hardly tough. I meant to become tough. It's hard for him. And honestly, this kid looks like he had been dealing with erectile dysfunction for a century. Yo! Check! Listen up! Battling with Kennedy Shinigami. Well, if you consider yourself a god, I'm your biggest blasphemy. I'll blast this rapper just to check out this anatomy. I got verses as many as in Bible. This is Revelation, and your apocalypse coming. So, apocalypse coming.
Yeah, what's up, come on, man?
Apocalypse coming. So be ready, because I'm digging a grave of a rapper who calls himself the God of Death. Armageddon. तेरा पूरा दुनिया खत्म करूं. Destruction to what you were building. Next time you consider yourself a god, I'll turn the whole world into an atheist. Come on, man. Yo. And this rapper from Zero, this rapper, no hate to Zero by the way. This rapper from Zero got zero knowledge. Aujeti Aryabhatta, the one who brought you here, zero reference. Now, listen up, motherfuckers. Listen up. Zero preference. I give my ears to listen to your wax set. Pollution in Itanagar, temperatures up, but my cold bath can bring it down to 0 degrees Celsius.
Town.
Last one. Okay, this is one last bar. बोर्ड लिखा था पर छोड़ो, ये लास्ट बार मान लेगा, टाइम लिमिट है. Okay. Believing. One day, Tani Flow के शब्द would be sold in millions. पर आज तेरा eviction from my property. Bye. My bars can contribute to GDP. Expensive. तेरा below poverty line. Fuck.
Alright, time. Alright. Yo, round one, Kennedy.
Let's go.
Hey, check. Hey, check. Hey, yo, check. Let the smoke come down, man. I'm already smoked this motherfucker, man. Let the smoke down, bitches. Hey, check. I wanna look straight in the eye, so I gotta take off my goggles, you know. Hey, yo. Make some noise. EMF in the motherfucking building, man. But all my chips are on Kaze. Motherfuckers, you ain't getting that shit. Hey, yo. So let me announce my top 3 best rappers. It's I, me, or me. So let me announce my top 3 best rappers. It's I, me, or me. This almighty will push you to limits till you feel the pain. Yes, sensei. हटा के तुम जैसों को battle से and drag you in mass shadow. Shikamaru, you know it's my grip. He knew that my level is high. Is the battle से पहले फूक के आया hidden leaf? No. Hey, check it out, bitches. Come on. What the fuck, Barfair? Still couldn't find a match. A pen is a sword and his sword has no edge. It's straight talk. Milega this bitch ko सीधे मौत. This bitch will meet his end. Don't even bother to explode his bars. Your brain will implode. It's deeper than the Mariana Trench. Hey, yo. Check it out. Z-Black, come on, man. Hey, yo. Hey, I heard he and Nishi. We bought Nishi, but fuck arbitration. I bring chieftaincy. Bow to this highness. Bar to bar, we can go handy. Mainly, this bitch is not manly. Hey, yo, hey, come on. Mainly, this bitch is not manly. Kennedy's this is Shinigami, bruh. Came in his resin tonight. Evil thoughts. Make your lifespan short. You better flee. Depending your whack homies. I don't know, बदले में उन्होंने तुम्हारी Ashley. Wait. Resident Evil, Kennedy, Zombies, Ashley. I know you didn't catch those bars, cause my shit is big. It's B-I-G. Hey, cause my shit is big. B-I-G. Who shot ya, motherfucker? It's Kennedy, you fucking fool. Now old school, new school, need to learn to. I burn, baby, burn like Disco Inferno. Who's the best in the game? Now the case closed, son. I love it when you call me Big Papa, cause I'm your mother. Joke. Time.
Oh, time. Second round. Let's go. Tani Flow.
Kid! I said, listen, no, come on, man. Yo, time ka limit hai, please. Okay, let's go. Now this is a battle between a so-called rapper and a so-called rapper. Leave Kennedy on his last breath. 4th stage cancer. और बहुत तेरे जैसे देख के आया मैं बहुत से रैपर्स. Colgate दांत चमके सफेद जूत तेरे फेस पर. Kennedy, Gustavo, battle rappers. I thought, who are these guys जो आए रैपर जैसा cosplay पहनकर. And listen up. They talk a lot of shit about my place, c'est pas? So I have to address that. Yo, सुनो अभी. हम ट्यूबर को तरबुक बोलेगा. मॉन्स्टर को मूनस्टार बोलेगा. नंबर को लंबर बोलेगा. हाफ पेंट को हाफिंग बोलेगा. What the fuck can you do about it? हम बंदूक को माबुक बोलेगा. Check. Listen up. मेरा साथ बैटल लग गया. Your dead wish. It is me murdering you. Bar straight sharp edge machete. And it's so strange and ironical for you to call yourself the Shinigami, god of death. पर ये बैटल में डेथ आज हम डिसाइड कर रहे हैं. दौड़ के आएगा दाव लेके, पहले केनेडी फिर गुस्तावो फिर तेरा होमिस लुक डर के भाग जा रहे. फक दाव लेके आएगा, पहले केनेडी फिर गुस्तावो फिर तेरा होमिस लुक डर के भाग जा रहे. फक लिसन अप ब्रो, लिसन अप, सुनने दो यार, रुको ना टेंशन, टाइम जा रहे तुला. दौड़ के आएगा दाव लेके, पहले केनेडी फिर गुस्तावो फिर इसका होमिस डर के भाग जा रहे. फक हमको सेपान डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल इंसिडेंट याद आ रहे हैं.
Yo, time, bro. Time. All right, Kennedy, round 2.
आवाज आ रहा है. Hey yo, check. लाउरा आज आउटस्पोकन को फक करो. आज ज्ञान हम छोड़ेगा. You know, freedom is a choice and I decide to be free. It's the Buddha in me that's telling you all that I'm the one who is waking up. You bitches are asleep. While you bitches are asleep. Come on man, cool down. Fuckers, come on, cool down. ये आबो को पसंद नहीं आया तानी फ्लो तेरा. Now get the fuck out of the game. Public देख रही तुझे हार के डूबता हुआ. Tell your people you're sorry, just like the first sepa French guy in the sepa. Message quick send to them. Come on. Hey, let me spit some facts, man. इसने कहा he was taking some personal shot, you know. I told him to not to. Hey, तुमने कहा तुमने पारा 10 रैपर इन योको मिलो. Motherfucker, तुमने कहा तुमने पारा 10 रैपर इन योको मिलो. The actual context is none of them were rappers. That makes your score still a 0. None of them were rappers. That makes your skills to 0. This zero guy gives 0 fuck. Gives 0 fuck. Now in specific. Tani flow if you stand no chance in the point Nemo. Hey, I know you didn't catch those bars. You know, I know you didn't catch those bars. Point Nemo, specific. I know you didn't catch those bars. It's okay if you didn't catch those bars, you know.
Yo, sit
Bars
down,
catch
man.
नहीं करेगा क्या मारेगा? ओए, I know you didn't catch those bars.
Hey, yo,
मारने
hey.
हो रहा यार, मारने.
Guys,
Hey,
hey.
I know you didn't
Hey.
catch those bars. I know you didn't catch those bars because you're a rapper that no one cares to give a fuck. Wait for me, I'll do a soccer bar. Till then you can play with his nuts. You bitches make Achi Khalifa relevant. When he said, no rapper malano, per golak. Hey, wait for me. Are wait, लिख यार थोड़ा सुको. SOS. Hey, SOS. Somebody rescue this bitch. SOS, somebody rescue this bitch. Because I'm not gonna pity on you. If I were you, I will probably hate me too. रेप का नया दोन डूबने वाला इसका होने वाला सीधे मौत. अंग्रेजी में इसे गाली देना चाहूं पर क्या करेगा? दिल तो हिंदुस्तानी है ना पेंचोत.
Time. You got more? All right.
Hey, last bar. Hey, you all play football. Hey, football खेलते हैं ना? Bars पकड़ो. We say Manchester United. Chelsea me now. We say Manchester United. Chelsea me now. I'm a real bowler. This is what actual bars feels like, written by a real mad reader. The reason I don't bowl with you, cause you bitches ain't no keeper. Bars पे को एक या 16. You can cop up to my label. Bye तुम मेरे से Barcelona. Hey, देर खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Bye तुम मेरे से Barcelona. Type shit. I already killed 2 of your separate rappers. Now you all can call this hat trick. Time, man. Fuck.
All right.
Laura.
Tani, last round. All right, you got 5 minutes.
Go. See, I want to make some things clear. See, oh, रुको ना. I'm a nice normal student in real life who attends his regular classes. मत बोलो ना दोस्तों, please don't. I'm a nice normal student in real life who attends his regular classes. If you meet me at the streets, chances are I'm at the bookstore buying pen and pencils, stationeries I got there. What I'm trying to say is, rap is my alter ego. Taught Dory Riang how to not get dominated. Empowerment. This is my education. A transition to Tani flow. Aparichit gave me a voice, attention I deserve. But you look like your head just to impress some girls. Take a free drink from your coupon. Now this seat and vacuum cleaner, but you just really suck. Tani flow will keep flowing like you left the tape open. Write some bars on a page and send it to your home like you left the tape open. Home page. Now Kennedy's homesick. I'll deliver you back to your home. I'm good in handling corpses. Now imagine what would be a family's reaction when they expect Flipkart, but they see your body parts packed in boxes. Check this. I'll attack his whole community. If I'm ever in your place, खींच के निकालूं Kennedy को उसके घर से. बहुत बुरा होने जा रहा है. डर देख, परिवार वालों को मरता देखो अपने आंखों के सामने. नंगा परेड कराऊं तुमको सड़कों पे. पर अपने सरकार से एक्सपेक्ट मत करो कि वो तुम्हें जस्टिस दे. Now listen up. Now Shinigami, if you're Osama, ये पहले बैटल में बोला था. If you're Osama, then I'm Obama. तेरा घर घुस के तुमको मार डाला. फिर पूछूं अले पारे कायदे में रहो. पूरा अल कायदा डर जाएगा. मेरा हिप हॉप का साथ व्यापार माने ट्रेड चलता रहेगा. And do you know what I exchange? Dead bodies. और ये गारंटी है कि ये बैटल से तानी फ्लो आज एक मुर्दा लाश लेके ही जाएगा. Listen up. Now imagine. Now I'm turning more brutal. Now imagine I'm choking your neck, strangling you. Still breathing, heart's beating, bop, 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 damaging you. Still breathing, heart's beating, bop, 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 damaging you. Better surrender? No. I dug my fingers into your skin. Take a firm grip around your esophagus. No mercy, no remorse, no apology. Take out the damn fucking esophagus out of your whole body. Time, bitch.
Time, all right. Wow. Final round. Let's go. Kennedy, 5 minutes.
Hey yo, some wake plain reference and wake bars, you know, I don't kill these bars, man. That whack shit, man. I thought I would be crazy, but listening his bars, he wasn't crazy, bitches. Boring, huh? You go back to your fucking hometown, bitches. Anybody from my hometown?
One second.
Fuck up, man.
One second. Hey, yo, guys, Nico. Yo,
Come on.
It's the final round. Let him rap, all right? Hey, yo, security, यहाँ आ जाओ. देखो आज तो मजाक नहीं कर रहा है ब्रदर्स, यू नो खराब मत पाओ आप लोग हटाएगा ऐसा डिस्टर्ब मत करो यार. लेट्स गो.
Check.
Let him speak. उसको बोलने दो.
Hey, check. इसने बोला मुझे जीरो के रास्ते में घसीटेगा. He told that that's all cap. तू बातें फेक, तेरी बातें फेक, मेरी बातें facts. तू बोले खुद को बेहतरीन, तुझे दे दूं मैं रियलिटी चेक. रैप करने का बैटल मेरे अंदर से जुनून, जब तेरी माथी पेट से. Fuck 90% of battle rappers and just know that you're not on the remaining 10. Hey yo, you're not on the remaining 10. Hey yo, and someone commented, और कोई कमेंट किया था वीडियो में, and someone commented, मैं बार फेर का बी रैपर, what the fuck man, मैं बार फेर का बी रैपर, what the fuck, see me now, I spit A plus bars, Let me tell you something, bitch. I'm not in the alphabets. My bars so-called numerically, I go negative. Wait. Here's an example of a B rapper. Mane, wanna be a rapper. और ये खुद को उस दिन बोल रहा था बैटल में, you will only consider himself as lower, क्योंकि ये है untouchable. तो तुम बैटल ही मत देखो. Hey,
Hey, Jay.
come on, cool down then.
Jay. Yo, Jay, get some securities here, man. Hey, bro, देखो, ऐसा नहीं होगा, bro. Don't do that shit, man. Let him rap, man. What the fuck,
Oh
yo?
man, stop that shit.
ऐसा
man.
मत करो यार. आप लोगों को इतना अच्छा से रिक्वेस्ट किया स्टार्टिंग में. Don't do that shit, man.
Hey.
Let's go.
इसका पिछला बैटल का बारे बोलेगा. Hey. Now this is the actual reality check. तू बोले खुद को veteran, तुझे मैं दे दूँ reality check. Now this is the actual reality check. Hey, yo. Now this is the actual reality check. Hey, ये उस दिन बोल रहा था खुद को lower क्योंकि he is untouchable. Now see me now. ये ब्राह्मणों वाली बार तू खुद को बोले lower क्योंकि तू होगा delete इस battle पे. No racism, delete. No delete man. Delete होगा इस battle पे. You're untouchable, right? Because no one was gonna save you. Because nobody wanna be a truth. Hey yo. Hey. Come on, acham se जोर. Now this is the actual level देखो. Now this is the actual reality check. Battling against me, a annihilation. Grey boy के साथ battle को छोड़ो. I'm giving you real humiliation. Rain bar simulation. Now after this battle, he will get familiar with 3 words: genocide, bloodshed, और जान लो ये है real domination. भाई को दुनिया घुमाएगा ना? दुनिया घुमाएगा. Hey, भाई को दुनिया घुमाएगा. The world will laugh at you. Chote, the world will laugh at you. You're bringing comedy jokes. No one's gonna save your funny ass. You are your hope. Hey, see me now. This shit is real. Disappointed to see that too. You will fail this time. Hey, I know ये बात तुझे चुभा. You're only hyped up because Machu is here to America. Hey, come on, America. Hey, यापची गैंग का साथ चलो वर्ड प्ले करे. This is battle, bitch. यहाँ पे ची. Why came with such weak bars? You thought I was grey boy? That battle gave you some feminine scars. You slay queen. That battle gave you some feminine scars. This battle is over. The warfare. Come on, this battle is over. Machuda tu, betty chot. Tu machuda. My bar so slick. Bole to WAPOS se. Waposa. Last bar. Hey yo. My bar so slick and well aligned and diverse too, like 7 sisters. Your mom had you for 9 months. She should have shot her with a pistol. One bar after one bar. That's not fucking wisdom. You had only 2 bars in the entire battle with 0 clarity, Betty Chot. Now rewind those number I used. And don't fuck with it, cause that's not black pun. Cause that's not fucking black pin code. Hey yo, I'm the charging man, Laura.
Last.
Hey yo.
Yo, thumbs up. All right, thumbs up. Let's go, hey. All right, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, give it up for the second battlers, man. Donnie, Flo, and Kennedy. Shake hands. Yo, shake hands. Come on, let's go. Come on. Kennedy, come to next. Who first start here? Danny Flow started first. Alright. Yo, give it up for them one more time, man. Let's go.